Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD Denali featured in sterling metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 6.6-liter Duramax diesel V8 paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, power park brake, heads-up display, wireless charger, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Some safety features include a backup camera, 360-degree camera, lane departure warning, parking sensors, hill descent control, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, memory seating, front and rear powered windows, powered mirrors. You can fold them in by pressing that there. Some storage and cup holders below. Our premium Bose speaker, Denali badging along the bottom. To the left of the driver's seat, power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats. Denali badging stitched in at the top. You can hop inside. To the left, when we get inside here, we have our power park brake, our optional 2-wheel 4-wheel drive with trailer mode, and our lighting controls, and as well as LED cargo bed lighting, and our heads-up display. Go ahead and turn her on here. Just in the middle is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have our cluster controls as well as Bluetooth controls. To the left of the steering wheel, we have our adaptive cruise control with forward collision alert and our heated steering wheel. We can go ahead and take a look at the infotainment screen here. Check out the audio options, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone for Bluetooth as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can check out the maps. Gonna take a second to load here. There we go. You can also take a look at the backup camera. Also it comes with the 360-degree camera. Just below that we have our automatic dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated for driver and passenger. Some safety features below including lane departure warning, our front and rear parking sensors, as well as our power tailgate, traction control, and hill descent control. Below that there's some storage with cup holders as well as a USB-C and USB plug-in, wireless charger. Here's our center console. Go ahead and take a look inside here. We have a USB-C and USB as well as a 3-prong plug-in. Some more storage below as well as a light at the back. Go ahead and take a look at a rear view mirror, and we can also flick it to camera display by just hitting that there. Just above that we have our OnStar and SOS, 2 dome lights, and our power sunroof controls. There's the sunroof, and there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Denali HD badging along the bottom, chrome mirror caps, chrome door handles with keyless entry, some privacy tint on the rear windows, a step there for easier access to the bed, corner steps on either side, and to pop open the back, all we got to do is double click. It's going to drop down for us. Plenty of space back here, and we also have a handle for easier access to get up. And if we want, we can drop this down. Another cool feature, pop this down as well, and you have steps up to the bed. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door, power windows, some storage and cup holder below. There's our speaker. You can go ahead and take a look at the seats here. Of course, they pop up for some storage below. You can go ahead and hop inside here. Back of each seat, we have magazine holders, cup holders at the back of the center console, heated rear seats, and our rear vents, USB-C and USB plug-in, lights at the top, handles on either side as well. Take a look in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest / cup holder, and here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick review of the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD Denali. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.